Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very
Today,
smoothly.
we will discuss important MCQs of history. So, the first question is: who among the following leaders did not believe in the drain theory of Dadabhai Naoroji? Option A: Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option B: R.C. Dutt. Option C: M.G. Ranade. Option D: Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So, you can pause this video and write down your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option D, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So the drain theory was put forward by Dadabhai Naoroji in his book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan did not believe in the drain theory of Dadabhai Naoroji. So you should know about Dadabhai Naoroji, who was he, what was his contribution in modern Indian history, and likewise you can also read about Bal Gangadhar Tilak, R.C. Dutt and M.G. Ranade. So these are important personalities of modern Indian history and you should have knowledge about them. So these personalities have already been asked by UPSC in its previous year's questions, and in upcoming prelims exam also there is a high probability that this question or this theme can repeat. So this was all about question number 1. Let us discuss question number 2. The Anarchical and Revolutionary Crime Act 1919 was popularly known as option A, the Rowlatt Act, option B, Pitt's India Act, option C, Indian Arms Act, option D, Ilbert Bill. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. I will tell you the correct answer of this question, that is option A, Rowlatt Act. So the Anarchical and Revolutionary Crime Act 1919 was popularly known as the Rowlatt Act and Gandhiji called it as a Black Act. So you should know about the details about Rowlatt Act, when this was introduced, why was this introduced, and what are the committees associated with this, who were the prominent personalities that fought against this act. Likewise, you can read about Pitt's India Act and Indian Arms Act and Ilbert Bill. So you should also aware about what was the Ilbert Bill controversy. So likewise, you can prepare this topic holistically. Let us discuss question number 3. The meeting of Indian and British political leaders during 1930 to 1932 in London has often been referred to as the first, second, and third roundtable conferences. It would be incorrect to refer to them as such because option A, the Indian National Congress did not take part in two of them. Option B, Indian parties other than the Indian National Congress participate in the conference represented sectional interest and not the whole of India. Option C, the British Labour Party had withdrawn from the conference, thereby making the proceeding of the conference partisan. Option D, it was an instance of a conference held in three sessions and not that of three separate conferences. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the correct answer of this question is option D. So first roundtable conference was initially between the British and the Indian as equals. The INC did not participated in the first and third conference. So this was all about this question. You should know the details about first, second and third roundtable conference, why these conferences were happened, who participated in that conferences, who boycotted that conference, what was the outcome of attending first, second and third conference respectively. So what are the following events that lead to further unrest due to this due to the decisions that were taken in the conference. So likewise you can prepare this topic holistically, and likewise you can prepare the topic like what were the instances that lead to this conference. So this was all about question number 3rd. Let us discuss question number 4th. Who among the following was a prominent leader of the Congress Socialist Party? Option A, M.N. Roy. Option B, Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi. Option C, Pattam Thanu Pillai. Option D, Acharya Narendra Dev. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option D, Acharya Narendra Dev. So CSP was formed in 1934 by J.P. Narayan, Acharya Narendra Dev, Basavan Singh and Yogendra Shukla. So again, I have already told you the importance of the organizations, the prominent organizations that were there in modern Indian history and the prominent leader of all those organizations. So this question is also about the leaders of the prominent organization, prominent leader of a prominent organization. Likewise, you can prepare other options also which are not the part of the answer. So you can prepare option A, B, C also. So UPSC has this habit of asking a question from the options which were not the part of the answer in previous year's paper. So this was all about question number 4. Let us discuss question number 5. Which one of the following is not correct about the cabinet mission plan? Option A, provincial grouping. Option B, interim cabinet of Indians. Option C, acceptance of Pakistan. Option D, constitution framing right. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. The correct answer of this question is option C, acceptance of Pakistan. So cabinet mission proposed a rejection of the demand for a full-fledged Pakistan because the Pakistan so framed would include large non-Muslim population, that is around 38% in the northwest and 48% in the northeast. So I have already told you the importance of the events, especially after 1940s. So this cabinet mission plan is the event that is after 1940s. So you should know all the events, especially after 1940s. So actually these are very important and you should prepare these topics from standard sources. So this was all about today's video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.